After 3 months, the Founders Program is done. Closed. No more. And right now, a lot of people are already earning good income. And some people, even if they pay $5,000, they can no longer enter into the Founders Program. Okay, this is a global Founders Program. Okay, because right now it's already closed. Okay, but again, because that is just a promo. Remember, a promo is not for life. Promo is just a promo for a certain period. Okay, that's why we would like you to be part of this pioneering effort. Okay, and of course, here in Montreal, this is a once-in-a-lifetime offer to you. All right? And again, before I go, I would just like to remind you, okay, do you remember this a while ago that I have shared with you?
Yes.
4 quadrants. Okay? Again, I have showed you a vehicle that can travel you or migrate you from one quadrant